Hey bro, aren't you going to the Travis Scott concert tonight?
I know why they mad, nigga. Gonna tell my boy going fuck.
Bro, haven't you ever heard of a knock? I bet, bro. I forgot to knock. I didn't know what you were doing, but yeah, I'm going to the Travis Scott concert tonight, bro. It's about to be lit, bro. Lit. Anyways, you got an extra ticket, bro? I really want to go with you, man. I really want to see Travis Scott today. I know he's lit. I want to see him. Do you have an extra ticket, please, bro? I'm begging you. If you got an extra ticket, big bro, let me go with you. Nah, bro. Sorry, little bro. I don't got an extra ticket. I gave it to my boy, so I'm going with my boy to Travis Scott. I'll send you Snapchats, though. Sorry, little bro.
Oh, ain't no days off. Unless I'm paid off. These niggas play some.
What's goody, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy AJ. Been a minute since the last time that I recorded. But yes, as you guys saw in that little skit, I am going to the Travis Scott concert tonight. I'm on my way to the Penguin Mall right now. I'm gonna go try to cop some jeans for tonight. Gotta go order my cousin's boyfriend some shoes. What I got on feet today? My Royalty 4s. Alright, so I just got to the Topanga Mall right now. My plan is to get in and out of this mall as fast as possible. Boy, are you ready for this? Are you ready? I'm about to see Travis Scott. Oh shit. Santa Barbara, here we come. Shout out to my Uber right here.
Oh my, what a wonderful time. Been a minute since I pulled up outside. Shut it down, yeah, you do that every time. Ooh, we got a feeling you might work it like a stripper. Yeah, but you not a stripper. Yeah, dog it down with you. Yeah.
Bro, we fucking made it, bro. It's a long ass drive.
You can cut this light off, we don't need that anymore. You can cut that light off. We can cut that spotlight off right there.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Nah. take a all for pennies. You used to take the long way, long way.
Sharpies need to be flying.
So when do I hold the shark in your life like a needle? Hold on, man. The white bitch showed up, cause the wild man niggas in the party. Some niggas keep to the top, no. Bitch, you the nose. Shit on your nose. She said, I want more. She said, she want more. So I'ma get more. I'ma get more. Bitch, go the nose. Shit on your nose. She said, she want more. She said, she want more. So I'ma get more. I'ma get more. Cause you're sweet. How about take? What I take? Bag it up. How about take? Right now. On the mat. No match. No match. We be hanging outside. Going in. Yeah, balance on the beat. Oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my, not for a long time. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. I've been out for a long time. Oh my. 30s in the city with the smoke. 35 for the go. Only real niggas keep it low. Only true niggas I know. 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 They know the loud of them. They know the loud of them. Pick up the phone, baby. I know you're home, baby. Pick up the phone, baby. I'm on the phone, baby. Never when I shit on you. Never when I get a breeze. Back to you. I'm in the back of the
swallow that shit. If you got a pot right now, eat that shit. If you got tobacco in your motherfucking pocket, flick that shit to the right. That shit sucked. We sold out every night on this motherfucking tour. So when Chase Big drop this shit, it's time to fly in this bitch. Chase Big.
Drop it, it's all we know. In the hills, it's all we know. Don't go through the front door. It's okay at the night show. Don't you open up the window. Don't you let out that antidote. Party on the Sunday. Do it all again on Monday. Spend the check on the weekend. Get those goosebumps every time you come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything but fine. Worry about those condoms. It's way too numb, yeah. It's way too dumb, yeah. I need those goosebumps every time. I need the Heimlich. Throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, when you throw that to the side, yeah. Hey. every time. 713. Cause you ain't one year behind. Why did you me? Why did you me on fire? Sipping low key. I'm sipping low key and high. I pull up right beside you. I'm stalling Mariah. Text kid came on. No stop on the bar. Snapchat to ride. She got the. Yeah, we gon' do some things you can't relate. Yeah. And you found a place you cannot stay. Oh, you can't go. Oh, I can't. Alright, so I just made it back home from the Travis Scott concert. As you can hear in my voice, it is gone. Everybody around me was crazy. The mosh was crazy. Everything was crazy. My coworker, my other boy, he was in the freaking mosh. He got the general admission tickets. I wasn't able to, but it was wild over there. But yeah, as you guys know, this is just a vlog. This is not the full concert of everything, like up close and everything like that, personal everything like that. But this is a vlog. That's gonna do it for me, guys. I'm out. Catch you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Peace.
I get those goosebumps every time. I need the Heimlich. Throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time.